Hello, in this explain that in this tutorial on how to play YouTube on background or to minimize YouTube on Android. So let's get started. So first up, open up YouTube and then you should redirect to your profile icon at the top right. Tap on it and then you should go ahead to go to the Get YouTube Premium. So this is only the legit way on how to play background of the YouTube itself because it's a feature that premium users should enjoy. So you should be trying it for free or you could pay for it monthly, as it only comes out within $3 or 150 pesos in our currency today. So this is all the features that you'll also get when paying the premium version of YouTube. So you could try it for free. And that's about it. This explain that and that's how to play YouTube on background or to minimize YouTube on Android.
If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends by notifying that bell as well. As always, stay tuned for more tech tutorials on Explain That.